Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. All I hope you are doing well. This video is day 3 of our 30-day English speaking challenge. I hope you watched day 1 and day 2. Please, if you haven't watched it yet, check it out so you can follow up our 30-day journey from beginning. If you are new here, my name is Hassan. I'm an English learner. I have a dream that of becoming a fluent English speaker. I started 30-day English speaking to achieve my goal, and I hope one day I will done if Allah says. You will see inshallah. As you know, every day we talk about different topic. When we will introduce ourselves, day two we talked about how to think in English. And today's topic we talk about how to make a good decision. Every day we make decision. Some decisions are small while others can change our lives. That is why important to think carefully before you make decision. Let me tell you a short story. Two friends finished high school. One friend decided to spend of all his time playing games and waste time. The other friend, he decided to study every day and learn new skills. After 5 years, the first friend regretted his decision because he had not achieved his goals, and the second found a good job and was proud himself. The difference between them was not luck, it was the decision they made. Let us back our topic today. How can we make a good decision? I will give you 4 steps that will help you to make a good decision. Step 1. Think before you decide. Don't make a decision when you are angry or emotional. Give yourself time to think. Step 2. Think about the future. Ask yourself, will this decision help me in the future? If the answer is yes, it is probably a good decision. Step 3. Ask for advice. If you are unsure, ask someone you trust, such as your parents, a teacher, and a good friend. Step 4. This is very important. Learn from your mistakes. Everyone can make bad decisions, but the important thing is to learn from them and make better decision next time. Remember, every decision you make today shapes your future. Choose wisely, work hard, and never stop learning. Thank you so much for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Help me reach 4,000 subscribers. Thank you. I hope I will see you tomorrow for day 4 our 30-day English speaking challenge. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.